Vanessa, everything okay?
There's something wrong with this place.
What do you mean?
Out in the forest.
Vanessa.
I kept walking around. It's like I was in some kind of loop.
I love you, but you need help. I lost a son. I don't want to lose you too. It's the anniversary of Obi's death.
I can't talk about this right now.
You gotta be patient with her. It will be all right.
Didn't your dad say they did experiments around here?
They shut the facility down. The forest was reclaimed as a preservation. He was searching for something. He lost his mind. And now I'm losing my wife. Everything okay?
This place is strange.
Alex?
We never met. From a different space and time.
What are these spaces?
Fragmented versions of the world. The paradox is that we can't coexist. The space is already occupied by another version of ourselves.
My son, is there a chance he's alive?
Every space I search for, he's dead.
Maybe you haven't looked hard enough.
I'm closing the space.
I think we can find him.
Humans have never fully been in control. She's not Vanessa!
We can't exist in the same space. My son, he's still out there, and I need to find him.